Maybe you took profits early in the year on your XRP. Awesome if you did. Maybe you bought back, when it was lower. Or maybe you participate in the funds at Digital Wealth Partners and you'll get the K1s. They're going to come alongside that for the distributions that were paid out to those investors. So yeah, that's the only regulated, SEC regulated product here in the US to be able to earn yield on your XRP. Returns, not yield. Returns. Yield is coming. We're not quite there yet. We'll find out, hopefully tomorrow. been a long time coming on that one. But I do think that, with everything progressing here, it's likely that we are going to see that product come to market sooner than later, weeks, not months. And I think a lot of our people that are participating with Digital Wealth Partners will be very excited doing so. I always thought that was kind of a pivot. Maybe I'm completely off. There's always been people that have flooded Tether, and Tether hasn't gone anywhere. It's been used to soak up U.S. Treasuries. But after the reverse carry trade unwinds, I think a lot of its use is going to be gone, and USAT will take that. Here in the U.S., they do have 3 years with USDT to get compliant. But if it depegs and has some issues, we'll have to see how everything plays out. Maybe they rotate that liquidity from USDT into USAT for all of the treasuries that they have on that balance sheet. We'll just have to see, the gold and Bitcoin that's on their balance sheet. Obviously, gold has done fantastic. Bitcoin still trending sideways here around 90,000. I think both of those are in for a big move to the downside. Again, I don't like to say that. I hope I'm wrong. I want people to make a bunch of money on gold and silver, but I do believe we're in for a pretty rough pullback. So at some point this year, maybe it takes longer, it just trends back down, but I think it'll be a violent pullback on gold to somewhere around 2,000 or 2,100, and then silver back down to touch the top at 50 before it continues higher. And I do think that they'll go higher. I just think there's going to be volatility when the reverse carry trade unwinds, which will destabilize a lot of things, including the stock market, which was also at an all-time high today. If you look at the S&P 500, we were at $7,000. It's the highest that the S&P has ever been. These are the highest valuations that the stock market has ever been at. And that's not good. I don't know, again, I can't give you financial advice. I know that our advisors are talking with our clients, with their Digital Wealth Partners, about their equity positions and how to de-risk some of that capital. If you do have a significant portion of your wealth tied up in the stock market, it might be a good time to have that conversation with your wealth manager. Again, not giving you financial advice, and this is a good time for my disclaimer. Nothing here is financial advice. It's only for entertainment and educational purposes. You need to always speak with a financial advisor before making any investment decision.